Okay, so now what we're going to do is create a new project. You go to the file and then you type in new, hit new, and then enter the name of the new project. In this case, I'm writing IME 270 Gantt chart. So the first task I want to do was from the example. So we'll go and look at the example, and it says the first one is order review. There's no predecessors, but it takes 2 days. So we're going to go ahead and write that order review. And you can see I'm going to skip some of the assignments, but I'm going to put 2 days. Now, automatically it'll start from right now and go out to the next day. It takes 2 days. So we'll say that's great. And we can actually see that on the Gantt chart over there. I'm going to do the next task in the example, which was order standard parts. I'm just going to go ahead and copy that because it's just easier than typing. I'm going to notice that it's predecessor of A and it takes 15 days. So I'm going to put 15 there. And I'm actually not going to worry about the predecessor right now. You can see it goes out 15 days to March 2nd. And now I'm going to do the linking the tasks so that one follows the other. And that'll just automatically happen in the Gantt chart. There's other ways of doing linking, start to finish or finish to start. But it's the audit. When you do the linking from the toolbar, you'll get finish to start. Okay, we're going to do the next task, which is produce standard parts. It has a predecessor of A and takes 10 days. I'm going to go ahead and type it in there. Whoops, I forgot what the days was 10. And I'm going to put 10 here. I'm just going to, again, it's going to do it automatically until I link those two. And I'm going to link A and C go together, link it automatically. And you can see here that they automatically are showing in the calendar here to be linked by those arrows. And that'll let us know. And you can also see what I'm doing is moving around the time period, how much I can show. Go to the next task, design custom parts. I'm going to go ahead and add it. And I'm going to put the required days. I'm going to link it to the first one, just like I've been doing. Going to go to the next one, software development. Again, add it. Put the number of days at 18, link it, go to the next one. You can see the next one is a predecessor of C and D, so we need to do that a little bit differently, but I just enter the task the same way. I forgot what the days were, so I went ahead and entered it. It was 15, but now you can see that I can enter it just right here. I can put in 15 days. I need to make it a predecessor of C, so I link that way, and D, but I only want to do them one at a time because otherwise C and D will also be linked, and I don't want it to be that way. So you can see here those lines that are showing on that chart that they're indicated as linked. I need to do another task now, the assemble task here, that is predecessor B and F, and it takes 10. So I'm going to enter that, assemble. I'm just typing it in now, saying OK. Well, I put the 10 days here and I can see that. And that's predecessor of B and F, so I want to, I don't know why that's showing funny there, but I'm just going to pretend it's not. Actually, it does correct itself. And then I want to B and F, so that's F. So it looks like numbers are probably the better way to do the predecessors than letters, but that's how I have it on there. So this now shows you the Gantt charts continue to be built. It has different quarters and different time limits. And the last one is the test, and it takes 5 days. And its predecessor is E and G. You can unlink task 2 if you do it correctly by clicking it and then to the unlink there. Okay, now that pretty much finishes the example that I had you guys do, and this should be what yours looks like. And I would just encourage you to try it in this software package. I think this software package is going to be useful. You can do a lot of other things besides just show the Gantt chart. You can do assignments and percent completed, lots of stuff. So I think it'll be a useful tool for you to track some of what you're doing.